You're watching how Leap lets remove the background from any photo on your iPhone. Use the built-in feature in iOS. Open the Photos app and select the photo with a clear subject. Press and hold on the main subject of the photo. You will see a white glow outline appear around it. Without lifting your finger, drag the subject. A menu will pop up. Tap Copy to copy the cutout image. You can now paste it into another app like Messages or Notes. To save it as a new image with a transparent background, open the free Shortcuts app. Use a shortcut called Remove Image Background, which you can find in the gallery, or create one that uses the Remove Background action. Run the shortcut on your photo and it will save AN with a transparent background to your photos. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.